Changing the font couldn't be easier on most Android phones. I'm using a Pixel XL running Android 7.1.1 Nougat here, but the process should be identical for all devices. Things may look a little bit different depending on your Android build and phone manufacturer, but otherwise should be similar. For example, Android 7X includes a preview of what the text will look like, where older versions of the operating system simply display the choices with no preview. Still, you should be able to follow along fairly easily. Before going to understand this, you are requested to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to encourage us so that we can make more such useful tutorials for you. Step 1. First, head into the settings menu. You can do this by pulling the notification shade down twice on some devices, then selecting the cog icon. Step 2. From here, scroll down to the display entry and tap it. Step 3. In this menu, look for the font size. Step 4. The left screenshot shows what this looks like on 7X, where the right one is Android 6X. The same options are available, just with and without the preview. Step 5. Again, it's worth noting that this may look even more different depending on your device. For completeness, here's a look at this menu on Samsung left and LG right devices. Once you've chosen your font, simply back out of this menu and the changes will stick. Nothing to it. For more tutorials and tips, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our Facebook page.